Okay, this is going to be a Hello World in ANSI C. We'll start with nomenclature include left caret stdio.h right caret. Then the main function is actually going to output an integer as a return value, so we go int main. It's not taking any arguments at runtime, so we want void within the parentheses. Then we'll open up the code block with a curly brace. Next we use print function. The print functions can taking in arguments of a string literal, which consists of the characters for hello world and a new line escape character. The new line escape character basically just tells the print function to add a new line at the end of the characters that are fed to it. I'm going to do that return value now because if you notice we told the main function that was going to return an integer, so we'll return 0, which actually tells the system that everything exited okay and then the system and the program itself ran okay. We'll now close the code block and we actually have our program written. Depending upon the system and what compiler you have to have, it will compile in different ways. You'll go to a command prompt, whether it be a command prompt on a Windows-based system or a Linux, Unix or OS X system, and basically if it was Borland Turbo C, it would be TCC and output hello.exe, and then the input file of hello.c if you say it is hello C. That's for Turbo C in DOS. Okay. For the Windows Visual Studio C compiler, it would be CL minus O. Actually, I'm not too sure of the actual proper output for that, to be honest. But basically, for this one, you can take the input file of hello.c. That'll work irrelevant. That should actually give you a out or a out.exe. May be intelligent enough to automatically put the hello.exe as the output. It's been a while since we used Windows to do any programming, so it's one of them. So this is basically Visual C++ in Windows. And for Unix, you would do cc minus o hello.c. This is for BSD or any Unix variant true. Oops. So the C compiler for Unix. When I say Unix, that can be True64, that could be BSD, or OpenBSD, FreeBSD, or any of the derivatives. Next is the GCC compiler, which has pretty much exactly the same sort of syntax as the C compiler. But this one would be on GNU C compiler. That was open source, and that would be on Linux based systems. So basically we have, in fact I'm going to open that out a little bit so you can actually still see that. So basically this is the actual source code. You would probably save that as, based on you actually saving that as, let's do this. These are actual comment tags. These will be pretty much ignored by the compiler. This is more of a information to say this is the file name, and that's who it's by at the time. You'd obviously put by your name. And that's basically it. I'll leave it. That's like almost 6 minutes for a simple thing like this. I'll end it here. Thanks for watching.